students, a very cheerful morning, happy morning. How are you my dear students? Fine? Okay. Busy? Why so busy? Oh, you are doing practice. That means you are working for your second unit test or second periodical assessment, isn't it? Today we are going with something new, that is and are, but that also with a doing words. That means the action that is happening. I am reading. I am brushing my teeth. That is action is happening. So in the last topic we have done is and are. When we have to use is, when we have to use am, and when we have to use are. The topic is same, but that will be along the ing and doing words. So let's start, students. So are my students ready to watch an interesting video? So our topic of the day is, are, and with ing form of doing words. By watching this video, students, you will be getting clear idea. Okay?
With ing form of doing words. Read the sentences given below. I am reading a book. You are reading a comic. She is reading a poem. They are reading books. Look at the box given here. It shows the correct use of is, are, and with ing form of a doing word. I am. We, you, they are sitting in the park. The girl, he, she, Nina is sitting in the park.
Students, when we have to use am is always and always used with I am sitting in the park. That means the action is going on, continuous है. अभी मैं बैठी हूँ. So I am sitting in the park. We, you, they मतलब कि बहुत सारे plural form में हैं. तो at that time we will use only are. We are sitting in the park. The action is happening, going on process. You are sitting in the park. They are sitting in the park. Got it, students? The girl is sitting in the park. जब भी हम लोग एक जने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, सिंगुलर बोल रहे हैं, that time we will be using only is. Okay? He is sitting in the park. Action हो रहा है, चालू है, isn't it? She is sitting in the park. Meena, special name है, Meena is sitting in the park. Okay, students, if you want, you can learn this table also. That is on page number, yes, I will tell you, students, is on page number 57. Got it, students? This is and are with ing form of doing words. Okay, it was clear to you? Okay, now a small worksheet for you, students. So are my students ready for the worksheet part? The topic of the day is, are, and with ing form of doing words. Anytime students you will face any problem, you can call to your ma'am, isn't it? आपको मेरा फोन तो अभी नंबर याद हो गया होगा, है ना? Very nice. So let's move, students. Use words from the box to form the ing form of doing words. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. See, students, all the words are given to you, and from this help box you have to do this exercise. Mother is dash tea. Mother is, yes, you have to use, खाली आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल क्यों मैं दे रही हूँ, you have to use only ing. Mother is drinking tea. Pooja are dash badminton play. So you will be using only ing, playing. Okay. The fisherman is dash the boat. फिशरमैन क्या करते हैं, बोट को चलाते हैं ना, दे रो. तो आपको ऐड करना है सिर्फ ing. The fisherman is rowing the boat. Number 4 is Harry is dash the drum. Yes. Another time play. So playing. Winner is dash the gift. क्या होगा बताओ, stand, pack और packing. ing लगा. Yes. Winner is packing the gift. Next one. Uncle John is dash out of the car window. Yes, tell me. Look, drink, क्या आएगा, thinking, क्या लगाना है इधर. Uncle John is looking out of the car window. Paul is dash in a line. आप क्या होते हो लाइन में, stand. और ing यूज करेंगे तो Paul is standing in a line. Got it? Very smart. The farmer is dash the field. Farmer field को क्या करता है, yes, क्या करता है, हल चलाता है ना, plows the field. Father is dash a newspaper. पापा क्या करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर रीड करते हैं. And when you will use ing, father is reading a newspaper. Then this grandpa is dash the baby in his arm. क्या लिखेंगे आप, hold, बेबी को होल्ड कर रहे हैं ग्रैंडपा, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे, ing लगाना है. Got it? Okay, very nice. Another one, add ing to the words given below and write them in the blanks. Love, loving. Just you have to use ing. Love, loving. Care, caring. Share, sharing. So students, in short, what you have to do, you have to remove e. Simple ना, आपको सिर्फ e हटाना है और क्या लगाना है, ing. सब में क्या हट जाएगा, e. So simple. Love, loving. Care, caring. Share, sharing. Taste, tasting. Bite, yes, taste, tasting, and bite. So students got the clear idea. Taste, tasting. तो क्या हट गया, I have removed e and I have add ing. Got it? Very smart. Bite, biting. May I tell you spelling also? Okay. B-I-T-I-N-G. मैंने क्या हटा दिया? What I have removed? E. Okay. And the last one is dance. तो क्या होगा? Dancing. क्या होगा? Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Okay. Smart. So it was all about is and are with ing form of doing words. Have you understood all the blanks which we have done in question number 1? Just you have to take the help from this help box. Okay. So my dear student, it was all about from is and are. अभी तक तो आपको सब समझ में आया होगा. Okay. And I hope you will be practicing in your textbook and notebook. Have a great time. Bye bye.